Hi YouTube, this is PC Maker, and today in this video I'm going to show you Windows 8 developer preview. So this is a pre-released version of Windows 8. It was released on 13th of September 2011. Together with this Windows cooperating with Samsung released a Samsung tablet that had Windows 8 already installed on it. I'll talk about that later, and I'll show you the Windows 8 tablet. Okay, so after you install Windows 8 and after installing it, you will be shown a lock screen. So in order to unlock your Windows 8, just move the picture there from down all the way up and it will be unlocked. So it will ask for your password. Just enter password and click enter, and that's it. Okay, so after logging in, you will be shown this start part here. So this is so Windows calls it the Metro UI style. So here it is, you can scroll it. So Windows 8 is an operating system that you can use it with a keyboard and a mouse, and also you can install it on tablets, so it's touch friendly, so it works with touch screens. Okay, so this here that change are called live tiles, and so basically you will have some of these tiles. I have customized some of them, so you won't see this. These are some website shortcuts here, and if you install the programs, they will be shown here. So first of all, I'm going to show you Internet Explorer. Just click on it and it will open. It's amazing the way that the Internet Explorer opens. Okay, so first of all, if you are using a keyboard and mouse, then just press Start Z, and you'll be shown the app charm. I think they call it like this. Yeah. So here you have some settings about the Internet Explorer. You can add a new tab. Here's the address bar. Here's the back button. Here's the refresh. Here's the pin. You can just pin it and go forward. Okay, so let me show you the page where you can find Windows 8. So if you want to open a new tab, just start that and click this plus here. So let me do it. Start that, click the plus, and you'll be shown this part here. It will show all your frequent pages, websites that you visited, and the pinned ones. So if you pin a website, it will be shown here, and also I think in the start part, so in the Metro UI. So this is called the start. So it will be shown somewhere in the end. Yeah, you can arrange it and put it somewhere here where you want. Okay, so let's open Google. It's already open, but it doesn't matter. So I like the thing with the dots that it does here. It shows that it's loading. So just search Windows 8. Just that, Windows 8. Enter and click this one, Windows Metro Style Apps Developer Downloads. Click that. Don't worry to search around Google. A link will be in the description about a link of this page will be on the description. So okay, so I love this thing that they have done with the Internet Explorer. So it's basically just an app here, and it shows you it's a full screen view of the web page. I love this. Look, you have just a full screen of the web page and just the scroll bar here, and they also changed the scroll bar. It's amazing. So here you have the Windows 8 developer preview 64-bit with the developer tools. All of them are in English. Okay, so if you are a developer, you can download this, but if you are a normal user like I am, you don't want to mess with developer things because they are just for developers. Okay? So here is the 64-bit one for normal users, and then you have the 30-bit one, 32-bit version. Okay, so the system requirements. So it requires about 1 GHz or faster 32-bit or 64-bit processor. It requires 1 GB of RAM for the 32-bit version and 2 GB of RAM for 64-bit version. So the requirements are about the same as Windows 7. So it requires 16 GB free hard disk space for the 32-bit and 20 GB free hard disk space for the 64-bit. And to run the Metro style apps, you need a screen resolution that's 1024 by 768 or greater. Okay, so I'm currently running Windows 8 developer preview with the 64-bit here. So to go back to the start part here, so to come back from an app to the start part here, just press the start button, the button on your keyboard with the start flag, with the flag, the Windows flag. Yeah. So let's explore another app. So store, pick it, will open. So this will be the store. It will come soon when I think it will be enabled when the official Windows 8 version will be released, and it will be basically a store like in the iPad, yeah, like in the iOS store for your apps. Okay, so we'll cover these two later, the Windows Explorer and desktop. So here is the news app. So here basically enter your RSS feeds, the link here, and you get all the information of stuff. So always when I have some more, some of them I have here. So if you can see more, you can see more of them, more RSS feeds that I have installed one from Kika torrents. Okay, that's right. So start that, and you'll be shown the app charm thing. So you can refresh it, either remove the RSS feeds that you have inserted or add the new feed. Yeah, okay, that's it. So this is tweet@rama, I think. Just click it. It will open up. So basically you just enter your account, your Twitter username here. Yeah, I like the thing that they have loading. So you just enter your username and password, and you authorize this app. So basically what this app does, it will show all your tweets or something. And okay, so you won't see this on your Windows 8. I just entered them by myself. There are some shortcuts of my web pages. So this is Socialite. It's an app similar to the Twitterama thing, but it's for Facebook. Yeah. So it gives you news feeds. It shows you your profile, photos, friends, check-ins. So you just log in and it will update them. Yeah. Here you have one of my favorites. It's the weather thing. Okay, let's wait for it. We'll gather some information. Stop. They have done a lot of great work with Windows 8. It's amazing. Okay, so you will firstly notice the picture, the animation on the background. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so you will mention firstly the animation in the background, so the clouds are moving. Yeah. So it will show information. So to add a city, just or to view the settings, just start Z. You can pin the city, you can remove, you can view the current city, you can add the city, you can. This is this is quick, so it shows me an hourly view of the weather. Or you can just click a summary and you can see summary. Okay, just click start button, go back. So we covered the first part. These are the most used ones. Oh, sorry. So we have like control panel. Click control panel to hold it. Wait for it. Yeah. So you can personalize your lock screen. You can change the picture of it. You can change your user. So you can change the user. Yeah. So if you go to users, you can. I will show you a cool thing. So here it shows the user. So you can add the user or change password. Current one. Okay. So if you want in Windows 8, you can use either a password or you can use a picture, and this picture will be shown to you. So this is basically your password. The password is just the picture, and you have to just click. So you have to register some spots, and when you will be asked for the password, you just should click those spots that you entered here, and you will be logged in. I like this thing. So click wireless, it will show you the wireless devices here and stuff, notifications about the apps, etc. Privacy, the to control how the apps manage or use your personal data in general. In the video, in the video, Windows 8 might appear a little bit slow because it's because of the screen recorder that I'm using. It slows the computer down, but it's amazingly fast. If you search on YouTube, you'll find some videos, or maybe I will put a link on the description of some videos that compare Windows 8 developer preview with Ubuntu latest version. It's 11.10, and they show the comparison with the booting and the CPU that the operating system uses and the RAM and etc. It compares it to the Ubuntu 11.10, and another video compares it to Mac OS X 10.7. That's the live version. Okay, so general, left at general. So here are your time. So your touch keyboard if you are using a tab. So you just change these things here. Your preferences here. So search. About the search option, I will show that later. I will cover that later. Okay, so there are the settings to change about the search. I want to delete my history. Okay. So share the information or the data that you want to share between apps. So you can share between apps. So history is this search. That was shared. So send stuff to devices. Okay. So ease of access, devices, connecting to the devices, etc. So syncing PC settings to the other. PCs. Home group. I don't have a home group, but there. Windows 8. It got very slow. Windows 8. Windows Update. Let me go back and reopen it. Okay, it doesn't matter. So they are just control panel and just basically settings. So if you come on, work. If you click more settings, it will bring you to the desktop, and it will open control panel, the old Windows 7 control panel. Okay, so basically there are some other apps here, and you won't have this part, so starting from here up to there, so you won't have that. They are just my programs, my stuff that I installed. So you might wonder, if I installed my programs, where will they be shown? So they will be shown up in here. So if you don't see them, just go to desktop. So this is the desktop, and you will notice that if you click the start, it won't open up the start menu. So basically what the Windows team has done, they have just removed that part, and so they have combined Windows, so they have combined Metro UI style with the start menu bar. So you don't have the start menu bar, that's the start menu bar there. Okay, so this is the desktop here. Let me show you something. So if you open the Explorer, it's getting too slow, Windows 8. I don't know why this program slows down it. Come on, open it up. So if you go here, it's the start charm. I don't know what they call it, this one. You have your settings, devices, share, search. So just close one of these. I like what they have done with the ribbon thing here. So let me go to my downloads. Okay, let me just click something here. So you have copy paste. I like this, I love these things. Open here, properties, select all, select none, invert selection. I love this. Then you have the share tab. So email it, zip it, burn to disk, fax it, stop so share with home group or specific users, and the security. Okay, view. So extra large, etc., etc. I think you are familiar with this in the Windows 7. It was in Windows 7. It was sort of an icon here that you can change this. Okay, so since it's an MP3 format that deals with Windows Media Player, it gives you this play tab, so you can either add it to the playlist, you can play it, or you can play all the music that you selected or that are in this folder. Here you have file. You can open a new window, you can open command prompt, you can change folder and security options, stuff, help, and close. Here is the quick access things here. Here for the new folder, here to view the properties of the file, and here to customize the quick access toolbar to add some other things. Okay, to minimize the ribbon, just click this one or Control F1. Yeah, Control F1, it works. So this is the thing that they have changed in here. Okay. Another thing that I want to show you is it's the same thing. If you click Windows Explorer, it will just open. I don't know. Yeah, it will open Windows Explorer. That's it. Okay. So to go back, you just press the Start button. Another thing that I want to show, if you just click Start I. So here we are in the start, and it will show the settings. yeah, Camtasia recording. Okay, so here we are at start, so it shows you that we are basically at start, and it will show you the settings, so you can change the preferences. If you go to Internet Explorer, you can just press start button and I, and you can change the settings of Internet Explorer app here. Okay, so here everywhere that you will press start R, you will find this thing, so it shows your network. If you click it, it will show you all your network. So here is the volume. You can, so yeah, here's the network. Let's go back to thing here. Come on. Sorry guys for this things, yeah. So if you see how quickly and fast Windows changes between stuff and program. Another thing that the secret to this that it changes very quickly between apps and stuff is that the apps don't close, they just remain open all the time. They only will be closed if you log off, or only if you just restart or shut down your computer. That's the time when your apps will log off, will close. So start button I. It won't work, okay. Yeah. Okay. Start button I. So it will show you the settings for start. So if you click here, you have the volume. If you click the brightness, so you can change the brightness. Here you have the notification, and this is the power button. Is the only way for you to shut down or to restart Windows 8. So just click it. So here you have sleep, hibernate, shutdown, and restart. Maybe you won't have sleep or hibernate. Yeah, it depends on your. You can customize to see this here. And here is the keyboard thing, the keyboard layout. Okay, so you might wonder, okay, I know now how to shut down, restart, sleep, or hibernate my PC, but where are log off and the log things or change user? So here it shows your user. If you left click on it, I don't know, that shouldn't happen, but if you left click on here, this area here, small area here, that shows your username. So you can change the user, you can log off, or you can add a user. Okay, that's it. So if you, another thing that I'm going to show you now is the search part. So if you just click start button and F, you will be shown this search. You can search for files here, everything you can search here. You can search for settings. So if I just type power, it will show me the power options, etc. If you go to apps, here's the place. I don't know how to call it. So if you were in Windows 7, this might be all programs thing here. So here are all your programs. So if you want to pin one program, and in order to see it on your start, on your Metro UI, you right click on it, right click on the program, and click pin. You press start to go back here, and here it is, sticky notes. It's already pinned. Right click on it. You have some advanced options. So advanced options: run as administrator, open file location, pin to taskbar, etc. Or just if you want to unpin, it's removed. So that's basically it. That's basically Windows 8 developer preview. In the description you'll find a link. You'll find a link about the downloads, and you'll find all the shortcuts there.